baby, listen. Mina ngimthanda ufazi ophuza ukubamba izinto. Check this son. Ngitshengisile ukuthi lapha you just faka kanje.
Mina ngifuna leyana
No,
party leyana, you know.
Baby, le yephume kahle le. This one. Okay.
Njokuthi thatha mboni phela mina ukuthi usuke.
Baby, kumele ube fast like yabo. IQ yakho ibe fast, you understand? Okay. Uthi sikhamba ke ngepace yakho na le. Like this, like this. Then we just tap here. Tap here.
Yeah, stop her.
This was nice,
I like
baby.
this one. I didn't I found profile picture le.
Nakho sokuchune. Angayiqedi so khona. Alright.
So my editor lengonzelele ya.
Yeah, this one zokuthumela. But okay, we try that. So
Comrade.
My friend. Kokuno no kakdai.
Jone baby.
Kokuno no kakdai.
No, ndanichi traffic ndio yangashinetsa but anyway.
Okay, yeah. Behind the time mokona kukala papa tutanga kushanda.
Oh, but problem ngari ipo manje.
Yeah.
Sekuru Johnzongo anditi ndingoya ndozongocheka kuti aufa zvakamira sei kuno kubata.
Yeah, it's fine. You couldn't wait. Everything's on.
Ko uyu yanga itsvage ipo.
Instead. Are you okay?
Precious ongo itsvage ipo.
How do you know my honey, bro?
Akusanditorera chirungu isina basa. Ukamira une baby rangu pana. Uyarutsvage pana ko.
Baby. What's up?
Imomira kuti baby uyarutsvage pana ko. Ndozongo chindifonera iye wanonoka wadzodiwa.
Baba, intombi yami ndingakhuluma kanjani? Intombi yami.
Uyi baby rangu.
Hi baba, baba, daddy.
It's okay.
Puma baba.
It's okay.
Don't get sana.
It's okay. It's okay. Go.
Baby, baby, what's up?
Angwasivele ukuthi ukhuluma ngani like honestly. Umfana wami wangikhombisa and mina bangazi.
Then mama umuntu akhombisa uwona yamkhomba.
Seklem ukuthi mina ngibhebi lakhe.
Hayi phela untshengisa lama-chances phela phandle la.
Vele umfana wami like wayengikhombisa kwaphela mina amtshethile baby. Like I have a boyfriend. So mind you.
Ambukeza hamendleni.
I'm sorry.
Ngifisa ukugezela mama.
How